Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a video of a really nice Transporter T6.1. This we've done quite a lot of work to. One of them being a KENWOOD DMX9720XDS. This has been installed into a T6.1. This has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, FM. It's also got camera inputs, various camera inputs. You put it in reverse and the factory camera comes up, as you can see here. This is also all operated via the volume control, forward and back track as well. You can go into the car's settings as well by pressing the button 5 times, the voice button 5 times, and the car settings will come up on here, so you can adjust all your tyre pressures and time and all that sort of stuff. If you'd like to have this done in your T6.1, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.